In the ever-evolving world of technology and sustainable living, we at Tech and Track continually strive to bring you closer to the future, one innovation at a time. Today, we're hitting the track on a unique, eco-friendly journey, diving headfirst into the fascinating world of Bokashi composting. Yes, you heard it right. We're turning tech-savvy green thumbs today, exploring how simple kitchen waste can power the gardens of tomorrow. So gear up and join us on this exciting adventure, where we turn the ordinary into extraordinary, and where we explore the past powered by the future. Welcome to Tech and Track. Let's dive into the world of Bokashi composting. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are setting sail on an exploration into the magic of kitchen alchemy, where common leftovers transform into a gold mine for your garden. We're delving into the captivating universe of Bokashi composting. This inventive, environmentally conscious method of waste control is a breakthrough for those of us seeking to live more ecologically. Bokashi composting is an anaerobic process, indicating it transpires without oxygen. It's a swift, effective, compact way to decompose kitchen waste, making it ideal for those inhabiting apartments or with restricted outdoor space. If you're in search of an eco-friendly answer to food waste and a method to generate nutrient-dense compost for your green friends, then fasten your seatbelts because this video is just for you. So, what makes Bokashi composting so beneficial, you ask? It's an excellent way to curtail waste. Instead of discarding food leftovers, they're diverted from landfills, reducing methane gas emissions. Beyond this, Bokashi composting generates nutrient-rich compost, a feast of necessary nutrients for your plants. Envision your garden flourishing with your meal leftovers. This is upcycling at its finest. Interestingly, Bokashi is an odorless composting technique. No more your nose at indoor composting. Speed is another perk. Bokashi is the fast food equivalent of composting. Within weeks you can have fresh compost ready to feed your plants. Bokashi composting is not only efficient and space-saving, but it also contributes positively to our environment. So why not give it a try? Now that we know what Bokashi composting is and its benefits, how do we start? First, gather your tools. A Bokashi bin, Bokashi bran, and a draining tray are necessary. You can buy the bin or create one yourself. The bran is a unique fermentation mix. After you have everything, begin prepping your kitchen scraps. Small scraps like fruit peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells are ideal. Cooked leftovers, except for meat and dairy, are also usable. Now, we layer. Begin with a thin layer of bran in your bin. Add chopped scraps and another layer of bran. Keep layering until your bin is almost full. Leave space at the top. It's crucial to compact the mixture and remove air pockets, as Bokashi is an anaerobic method, meaning it works without oxygen. Seal the bin tightly and let it ferment for 2 weeks. During this period, a dark liquid called Bokashi tea will accumulate. This is a powerful fertilizer for your plants. Remember to drain this liquid every few days and dilute it with water before use. After 2 weeks, you're compost ready. You can either add it directly to your garden soil or a traditional compost bin for further decomposition. Your Bokashi compost is now ready to nourish your plants. Bokashi composting is a simple yet powerful way to transform kitchen waste into gardening gold. It's a small change with a big impact, and anyone can do it. So why not give it a try? Your plants and the planet will thank you. By embracing Bokashi composting, you're doing much more than creating enriching fertilizer for your plants. You're stepping into an eco-warrior's shoes, choosing to actively contribute to our planet's sustainability. Whenever you put kitchen leftovers in your Bokashi bin, you prevent waste from adding to our overloaded landfills. But it's not just about waste reduction. When food waste decomposes it releases methane, a potent greenhouse. By composting, you're reducing these harmful emissions. The nutrient-dense compost nourishes the soil, boosts plant health, and enhances air quality as plants absorb carbon dioxide. It's a beautiful giving and receiving cycle, starting from your modest kitchen bin. Plus, composting with Bokashi is quick and odor-free, making it an accessible option, regardless of whether you live in a country mansion or a city apartment. So, Bokashi composting is a simple act with wide-ranging implications. It's about promoting a sustainable lifestyle, shrinking our ecological footprint, and organically giving back to Mother Earth. It's a small change with a big impact. So there you have it, folks. Bokashi Composting, a simple yet powerful way to turn kitchen scraps into gardening gold. It's a method of transforming waste into a resource, a conscious move towards sustainability. With every apple core or coffee ground, you're embracing a greener planet. Bokashi Composting is not just eco-friendly, it's a mindset. It's your chance to join the green revolution and make a difference. So are you ready? If so, comment below, drop a like and subscribe. And remember, every small step towards sustainability counts. Let's make our world a greener place, one compost bin at a time. Thanks for embarking on this journey with us today on Tech and Track. We've traveled from the past into the future, exploring how technology and sustainability intersect in our daily lives. Today, we've focused on the power of Bokashi Composting, a simple yet transformative method for turning waste into a resource. We hope you've been inspired to take up this green initiative and contribute to a more sustainable planet. Remember, every small step you take towards sustainability makes a huge difference. On Tech and Track, we're all about making the world a better place, one episode at a time. Stay tuned for more exciting journeys into the world of technology and sustainability. Until then, keep composting, keep innovating, and keep going green.